Wix website for portfolio complete tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'll share my own experience. I'll show you how to create a portfolio on Wix. Nothing hard, so let's get started. They provide us the opportunity to use a lot of features, and creating portfolio is quite simple with Wix. All you need to do is to create an account, so click on get started here or in the right top. So after that, you can easily do it with your Gmail, or you can just simply connect your Gmail to Wix, so you don't even have to create an account, nothing hard. And you can easily even launch your portfolio without paying. So if you don't have, any price plans, we can now use it like even on a free trial or something like this. So we'll come to this page where we have our dashboard. You won't be able to see these websites because this is like what I created. So here we need to click on create new site in the right top, and after that we'll come to the next page where we have a couple of options, and I strongly recommend you to use a studio template. In this case, you'll firstly will need to customize someone else's template. After that, you can try to use blank canvas, you can create it from scratch, but at the beginning it's definitely easier to interact with templates you can already use. You can find the idea, find the inspiration here, and after that just simply customize it as you need. So in the left corner we need to select the portfolio, so click on type, then go to portfolio, and after that we'll come to this page where we can find a lot of different templates. So here we have like more than 10 templates we can use completely without paying. So in this case you can select what is more suitable as for you. We have a lot of portfolios for photographer, artist, designer, photography, and so on. But even if you want to create something else, you can use, for example, this template, and then just simply customize it as you need. So you can use the portfolio wireframe. So there will be a structure, and all you need to do is just to add your content. So in order to make it easier, let's say that for the first time I'd like to use this template here, for example, photography portfolio, let it be like this. So you can click on view to see how will it look like. We have a couple of different photos here, a couple of pages. So yeah, it's quite simple. It will be easy to create something from this template. So now we can click on edit, and in a few seconds we'll create our own website, and we'll use this template as the beginning. So the next step we need to do is to customize this template. So it may take a little time, let it be like this. By the way, you need to know that all the templates, all the websites on Wix are really responsive for different type of devices. As you can see, now it looks like on tablet. This is the view of the phone. So it could be really easy to interact with different types of visitors. So yeah. After that, when everything is done, we'll open this page where we have a couple of options, and here we need to firstly manage all the pages. What does it mean? It means that we need to open this button, so click on home in the left top, and then click on manage pages. So here you can find all the pages you have on your website. You can create a new one. If it's necessary, we can click on plus add a page, and then we can use template or create it from scratch. In my case, I'm going to delete it, and I firstly recommend you to select all the pages to open them. And if it's necessary for you to have them on your website, you can just simply click on more, click on delete, and then just delete all the unnecessary pages. For example, here I would like to delete this stuff here. Also, we have some dynamic pages. It means that it's not the page, it's like the part of the page, and sometimes it could be not that easy to delete them from this page, but we'll delete them a little bit later. So yeah, now I'm ready to close this stuff, and here we are on the editor. The next thing we can do is that we can manage site style. So we can change all the fonts, all the color palette. So sometimes it could be really helpful if it's necessary as for you. So we can change it and apply it to the whole website here. We can change page transitions for the whole website, change the fonts. So as you can see, nothing really hard in order to interact with Wix. Next, we need to manage all the content inside. So how can we interact with objects? Firstly, you can see that our website is divided into different sections, and every section has some content inside. So here we have this section, and what can we find? We can find our text, we can find images, which is like gallery here. So if you want to interact with object, firstly click on it, and then in the right side you'll be able to find all the properties, so the alignment styles. As for this article, we can click on edit text, and after that we can then manage what's inside basically. So nothing really hard in order to interact with these things. We can change it. For example, here we can select this stuff here and then just simply delete. The same thing with this gallery. We can click on manage projects. After that we'll come to the next page, and here we just simply need to do some other things. So I'm going to click on setup without AI, and now we need to select all the things we need to manage. For example, here we can click on edit. So then we can add the title, description, basic info, add the photo, and like some, I don't know, projects we have. Then we can just simply click on save. So even if something is hard for you to understand, just simply try to do that. You'll find it intuitively. So yeah, nothing really hard inside of the Wix. All you need to do is just try it by yourself. A little bit hard at the beginning, but then everything is quite easy to understand. So when everything is done, we can now click on publish in the right top, and then we can click on save and continue, and our website will be automatically published. So we can even click on view site, and as you can see, it's on the internet. We can now see all the changes, all the differences, and basically all the things related with this stuff. Now let me show you a little bit advanced settings we can manage. So if you're going to click on this icon in the left top, we can then go to dashboard, and from this page we can interact with all the analytics, all the payments, all the stuff. So as a portfolio, it's not that important to manage payments, but we can still find all the marketing stuff. So we can get some ads, we can buy some stuff, we can go to Google Analytics to analyze. We can go to analytics to find all the reports about traffic sources, traffic overview, and so on. And of course, if you decided to upgrade your Wix, you need to discover all the plans. So here we have like 5 plans: basic, standard, plus, elite, and enterprise. And the most suitable for portfolio is of course basic. It's good enough. 10 gigabytes media storage, 3 sites collaborators, CMS items, site analytics, FreeDMA for 1 year. So as you can see on standard, we'll only get a little bit more of data, and we can accept payments. It's not that important for portfolio at all. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.